Hi everyone, Szenan-Balance from Acupuncture School. In this video, we're going to talk about back 5 points. Change the back to shoulder 5 points. So last video we talked about neck 5 points, right? And how do we convert back 5 points to neck back 5 points to neck 5 points to shoulder 5 points? It's very simple. You look here. This is the neck, shoulder, chest, stomach, lower back. We done the stomach one. Different level. So over here, lower back. This one, like large intestine 3 and small intestine 3 here. And this level, we treat neck, right? Neck. But in this level, we treat shoulder. So different level, same meridian over here. Different level, treat different things. So now I created a new balance method acupuncture based on the original balance method acupuncture of back 5 point and neck 5 point. I created shoulder 5 points. And I'm going to create chest 5 point, upper back 5 points. It's coming soon. So you stay tuned and I'll show you in the next video. All right. So in this video, how do we know this is shoulder 5 points? Look at here. This image. Head. Hands. Legs. This is hand, this is hands, right? We look at here. This is hand, this is shoulder, elbow, wrist. Over here, shoulder, elbow, wrist. Okay, now we know this is shoulder. This is hip. Hip can balance shoulder. So in all this joint over here, it can treat shoulder. It's that simple. So don't make it too complicated. So from here, treating neck, small intestine 3, up to here, this is on the joint. And between this one and this one, the 4th and 5th metacarpal bone on the head, at between those two, at between those two, at between, over here on the joint. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For the acupuncturist first, I'll show you how to use the needles. We'll put needles in. And next, we're going to talk about for the massage therapies, how to do acupressure point. Or as an acupuncturist, you want to show your patient how to do acupressure point. Next, we're going to talk about this. First, needle here. If you can find a sensitive spot, go for it. The ear detector device, get the access point, needle. Over here, you need a 1. And then you need a in the middle, needle in the middle. No, that's 5 needles, right? It can convert to 8 needles. Here's what it is. 1 needle over here, and 1 needle going to that joint. Another needle going to that joint, which this point, 2 needle. 1 going to the joint here, 1 going to the joint here. The needle of the tip going to touch the bone. Okay? Over here, needle joint, needle joint. Over here, needle joint, needle joint. Over here, needle joint. So joint. 8 needles. Right? Now, can we use this 5 needles and instead of 8 needles? But we save the needles, but we deliver 8 needles effects. Of course, look here. 1 needle in here, 1 needle over here in the middle, and you lift it up to the to superficial, level, pointing to the joint over here. You tap the joint, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Lift it up to the superficial again. Change the direction to this joint, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And lift it again to the middle, going down. And you can do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the middle, and lift the needle there. And that's even more stronger. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here, and here, and here, you're going to do this joint, this joint, this joint, this joint, this joint, this joint. You get me? So those 3 needles, 3 different directions. 1 direction, 2 direction on this joint, 3 direction in the middle. So that's how you can modify it. Very simple, right? It's so easy. So this is new balance method acupuncture. So I can create it a lot of other points based on the original balance method acupuncture of back 5 point and neck 5 point. Now I created shoulder 5 points. Very simple. Okay, next. How do you massage an acupressure point? It's very simple. If you have the ear device, you press it on here, press it there, and tip therefore rub it for about 10 seconds, or use your fingers, hand, thumb to find the point in 10 seconds. And you come to here, you rub it in the middle, find the acid point. Well, I have the acid point over here, rub it for 10 seconds, and then you change the direction to the little finger joint here, metacarpal bone joint here, and to the 4th one, the ring finger one, to here to find the sensitive point, and rub it for 10 seconds. And repeat it for 3 times. Same as that one, that one, that one, that one, and that one. That's how simple it is. So you can find it and work on it. Remember, in New Balance Method Acupuncture, you find the yang hand side, it works better. You can work on the in hand side, it will work too, it will deliver instant results too, but the lasting result is not as good as working on the yang hand side. Okay? Because a New Balance Method Acupuncture will add on structure imbalance. An original Balance Method Acupuncture, it only look at the 6 meridians. But in New Balance Method Acupuncture, we want to look at the 6 meridians as well as structure. When you look at the structure, you treat the structure as well as 6 meridian, the result lasts much longer, and you're in the pain very quick. 10 treatment, it can be just 5 treatment in the pain, or even just in 3 treatment, you're in the pain. You complete the treatment. Right? This is New Balance Method Acupuncture. I'm Szenan-Balance from AcuTCM School. If you find this video help, please share. Give me a like, thumbs up. And I have my contact details down here. And we have some webinar. Welcome to join our webinar. And my workshop. To this date, I haven't got any workshop organized in English yet. I'm going to China, Taiwan, and Malaysia in July. I'm pretty sure we'll have some link down there. Go to our website to find out the next workshop, and welcome to join our workshop if you want to learn more. Stay awesome. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.